Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use magic design in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Within it, type canva.com and make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. After logging in, you will see options like Create, Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, Canva AI, and more on at the left corner. Tap Create icon where you can see different templates. You can choose any based on your needs. Once selected, it will redirect you to a new interface. Now within the menu at the left corner, select Design or Magic Design if it appears directly. This opens Magic Design where Canva helps you create a layout automatically. Within it, type Instagram post for travel or anything that you want to add, or you can just upload an image, documents or text. Once done, click on the Submit button. Now Canva will instantly create multiple design outlets or options for you. You can choose any if you want. Scroll through the generated designs and click on what you like. Once selected, you can now edit the text, colors, images and fonts just like a normal Canva design. And that's it. This is how you can easily use Magic Design in Canva. It's fast, easy and perfect for beginners. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.